This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make orchids bloom all year. First, ensure your orchid receives ample bright, indirect light for 12 to 16 hours every day. A south or east-facing window is often perfect. This consistent light exposure is crucial, as inadequate lighting is one of the primary reasons orchids fail to rebloom. Think of it as their energy source for producing those beautiful flowers. Next, let's talk about watering and humidity. Water your orchid thoroughly when its potting mix is almost dry, typically every 7 to 10 days. It's vital to avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot and prevent blooming. Orchids also thrive in high humidity, ideally between 50 and 70%. You can achieve this with a humidity tray or by misting the air around the plant. Temperature fluctuations and proper feeding are also key. Orchids often need a temperature drop of 10 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit at night to trigger blooming. During active growth, fertilize every 2 weeks with a balanced orchid fertilizer, diluted to half strength. When the plant is not actively growing, reduce the fertilizer strength to 1/4, applying it once a month to support overall health. Finally, consider repotting and pruning. Repot your orchid every 1 to 2 years into fresh orchid bark mix to ensure good aeration and nutrient availability. When a flower spike finishes blooming, prune it above a healthy node to encourage new growth and potentially another bloom. Always remove any dead or diseased roots you find during repotting to maintain a healthy plant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.